Kappa Pride.
Kappa.
Hey, make sure you restore because we took some hits outside. You know what we forgot? I know exactly what we forgot.
Oh, dude, you should have totally got the new restore, new prayer, the preserve prayer.
That really sucks, man. We forgot ranging potions.
Oh well, we didn't bring one in the last gear setup, so I don't think it's fine. Oh, you actually left?
Yeah, I'm going. Yeah. Potion, click on boss. Don't eat a full potion without clicking on the boss because he'll melee one of us. So like potion a little bit, boss attack. Potion a little bit, boss attack. You know what I'm saying?
You want me going first or you?
You there?
Do you want me going first or you?
Did you hear anything I just said?
Yeah.
We'll go in at the same time. Should be able to. I'm just walking on you. I'm not going in.
Okay, I have
Okay,
my click on open. I am recording.
Turn.
Oh,
Make sure your run's on and
auto retaliate
drink.
on or off?
Off, and then drink a range potion right now.
Good idea.
And we're gonna go in, and the first thing we're gonna do is turn range prey on before you go in. And the first thing we're gonna do is just shoot the boss, and then run to the corner, shoot the boss, run to the corner. Wait for it, wait for it. Alright, opening the door, and 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh shit.
Come to me in the corner. Shoot Kriya. You shooting her?
Yes, I am.
Watch your health at the top. Don't watch your bar. Watch your health at the top.
Her
Alright, start
health?
working on the minions then. No, your health. Keep shooting Kriya. How you doing? You doing good?
Yeah, I'm doing okay.
Keep
Oh
shooting the
fuck, oh
boss.
fuck, oh fuck, oh fuck, up. I died. I actually died.
Well, I don't think I'll be able to do it by myself.
Rip. Shit.
Most of the pieces, because might not even shouldn't even bring Alex, but I need that actually.
This guy's username 1XP.
So the first time we did it, I died. Second time we did it, you died. You guys remember that?
I know, right?
Ranging potion. Next time, pray steel skin, alright? This will make you a little tankier.
Okay, I'll put that in my activate quick prayers. Grapple.
Alright, I have 1 range potion, 5 restores, and the rest brews. That's right, isn't it?
Oh. Yeah, I didn't even bring that. I just brought like a couple restores, a couple Sarahs in case, a couple staminas. Most of my inventory is open. A Varrock teleport, the key, you know, and the gear. I'm almost at the door.
Climbing down rocks. That was, rip.
Look at that, all that purple text. Zamorak chaps and purple tags, ruby bolts, diamond bolts, bandos boots.
That's really what we're here for, is the bolts.
Sarah brews. The ring of life. That didn't work.
What's at the top of the pile? Because that's what you'll pick up first if you spam click it.
Ceridome brews. 3. And then Sarah brews, diamond boots. I mean, bandos boots, diamond boots. Yes. I'm thinking Minecraft now.
I'll be going first and start the fight.
Ready when you are. Oh fuck. Do you want me to tell you out or try to fight? Because I'm attacking now. If you want me to tell you out, I will.
I'm getting the fuck out.
Yeah, I'm gonna tell you out.
I'm leaving.
Why can't I tell you? Okay, there we go.
I'm not.
I left. There we go.
I'm not. I don't have the stats to solo that bitch.
Yeah, I tallied out. I got all my gear.